In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Airtable records with Fillout without paying for a user license. Fillout is a powerful form builder that connects directly to Airtable, turning a simple form into a live editor for your base. With this setup, you can create new records, update existing ones, or do both, all without requiring end users to log into Airtable. Here's the big idea. A user opens a Fillout form that's connected to a specific Airtable table. Fillout identifies which record to update. The user edits only the fields you allow, and when they submit, Fillout updates just those fields in Airtable. This keeps your data secure, focused, and easy to manage. Before you begin, make sure your Airtable table has a reliable, unique identifier for safe updates. That could be the built-in record ID or a custom ID like a client or order number. This ensures Fillout knows exactly which record to modify and prevents unintended changes elsewhere in your base. Now let's build it. Open your Airtable base and choose the table you want to update. If your base doesn't already have a form for collecting inputs, create one so you're clear on which fields you want people to touch. Next, go to fillout.com and sign up or log in. Click Create, choose Connect, then select Airtable. Pick a theme, click Next, and then Next again. When prompted, select your base. For this walkthrough, choose the one called Students. Then select the Students table and create a form. Give the form a clear name and click Continue. On the left, you'll see your Airtable fields. Drag and drop the fields you want users to edit into the center. This is where you control access. Keep internal fields hidden, allow editing of just one field like status if that's your workflow, and leave everything else protected. For example, a user might change status from pending to completed, and only that field will update. When your form looks right, click Publish and copy the link. Open the link in a new tab, fill out the Form M, and submit. Head back to Airtable and you'll see the students table reflect your new or updated records immediately. This approach is powerful because end users never need an Airtable license. They interact only with Fillout, while Fillout updates the records through the Airtable connection. It's secure, simple to set up, compatible with your automations, and perfect for client portals, status updates, profile edits, and targeted field updates.